Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your watch history on TikTok. It is very good because this will help you to have even more relevant for you page. Let's launch the TikTok app first, and then you want to click on the lower right corner. Okay, when you have your landing page on your account on, you want to go ahead and click on the upper right at the three straight lines. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. And when you're over here, you want to scroll down to the section that is called Activity Center. You want to click on it. Over here, you want to click on the first option, which is Watch History. And now we're going to delete the watch history. Clicking on the upper right, select, and then click on the lower left, which will select all of your watch history. Then you want to click on the lower right and delete all of the history. This is how simple it is, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and like this video.